Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to add another Gmail on Android. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open the Gmail app on our phone. Then we will tap on our profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Next we will tap on the Add Account option. In the Add Account window we will select the Google option. Then we will enter our Gmail address and password. Once we are logged in, we will tap on the three bars in the top left corner of the screen. Then we will tap on the See All Inboxes option. This will show us all of our Gmail inboxes. We will now be able to see the emails from both of our accounts in the same inbox. And that's it, we have successfully added a second Gmail account to our phone. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.